Need to try the unmute button. Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Friday. Today's a weird day, and I kind of want to try to Tetris speedrun. Because I only have like an hour here, but I might do programming too. There was just a Tetris update though, so this might not work. I'm gonna see if I can get it working here while I'm chatting. Graphics. I need you to switch monitors, please. Really doesn't like, there we go. Yes, keep those settings. Yeah, let's see if we can, see if live split will work. Anytime there's an update to this game, live split invariably stops working. So in just a few hours, I'll be hopping on a plane. At least that's the plan. This is not the right live split. There's the hat. Thanks, Charles, for redeeming Put on the Hat. Let's actually give you credit for that. Okay. Live split? Live split, where are you? Come in, live split. This is a message from your streamer person. Okay, so I mean, live split's there. Let's see if it'll read it. If it won't read it, I'm gonna program. If it does read it, I'm gonna do this. Boo! Oh! Hey, Dismond. Happy Friday afternoon. Hope you're doing well. That's not a good sign. Timer did not start. Let's try this. Edit splits. Deactivate. Activate. Okay. Everybody got fun, exciting plans for the weekend? Okay, still didn't work. We're gonna try one more thing to get it to work. So heavy. So heavy. Now what's interesting here is I don't think that has the right... Yeah, 3710 is my PB, so that's not the right PB. I'm kind of curious if it'll work in this one, though. Just see if it works. Yeah, neither one's working. Blah! No Tetrises. I'm not going to spend an hour getting live split working again, because that's how long it would take. So forget that. Do I do block therapy or program? I think I'm going to program. And there's a reason I think I'm going to program. Because I didn't finish a program, and I don't really want to finish it while I'm in Florida. Yeah, exactly. I think we're going to work a little bit on the hat. I wonder if I can wear this while having a wire come out of my head. Okay, I'm going to switch hats. That's interesting. It may actually be too bright in here. But first, let me turn this on. Where's desktop capture? I had this all cleaned up and nice one day, and then it wasn't. Okay, there we go. So there's that. So now, let's do a few things. Let's Oh, if I shut that off, I'm gonna lose. Let me see if I can shut that light off this way. Yeah, that's a little better. Let's lower the green screen. Man, being tethered is kind of weird. No more green screen. Okay, so then let's also shut off the green screen filter. And let's turn on some color correction. And let's just drop the brightness. No, that's not good enough. Let's drop. I'm trying to figure out how to get this to look good. I mean, because dropping the brightness is not the right answer, so let's not do that. Let's try one other thing. Properties. Let's figure video. Let's lower the brightness here. That's not great either. I think it's like let's lower the exposure. Wrong way. There we go. That's got some color to it. Oh, Lego City, you'll be moving to Twitch for streaming? Nice. Yeah, it is kind of funny how it lights up my nose. So here, let's just run a few tests real quick just to make sure everything's still working. So, can I connect to the Magic Band? Yes, I can. Battery says it's full. If I turn it red, the front of the hat goes red. If I turn it blue, the front of the hat goes blue. Yellow, front of the hat goes yellow. Purple. Yeah, so that part's working. The ears are doing something funny right now. I don't entirely know why, but that's okay. I don't care about the ears at the moment. So let's check the other Bluetooth thing. Logging into Bluetooth. We're gonna do this. I know you guys can't see my phone. It's not a hex value, it's a UTF-8 value. Write value. We are going to write 2 to the hat. Okay, we're in blue mode. Let's try a different mode here. Let's try Christmas, what I'm not really calling rainbow mode. There's rainbow mode. Rainbow mode's pretty good. JJ the Red No Streamer. I mean, so I'm guessing those LEDs aren't going to get used. The one that's lighting up my face won't get used all that much because I'm not overly happy with how that's behaving. Let's try blue with stars. Oh, that's not blue with stars. I don't know what that value is. Hold on. We'll see what it does. It didn't flip. Let's try 5. Oh, there it goes. There's blue with stars. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we need to come up with some more. We gotta do 2 things coding wise. Also, am I in just chatting or Tetris? I'm in just chatting. Good. Guys, it's weird for me today. I don't normally have travel anxiety, and I have travel anxiety today. I think it's about the uncertainty about whether or not I might choose not to go. But we'll see. Okay, so let's do this. Let's make some magic. When am I leaving? I leave for the airport in about an hour and 10 minutes. So it's going to be a short stream. Not that short, though, so. Okay, if mode is 5, let's add a new mode. Else if mode equals 6. Okay. I need a Christmas theme. What would be a good Christmas theme for my hat, you guys? Like, I need ideas. Maybe like, I don't know, like a red and green and white. Red and green spinning. How about like random red and green? That, I mean, let's see what random red and green would do. So, red and white, you'd look like a candy cane. I mean, actually, that's not bad. Map all the lights on the hat and have a blue background and the lights descent starting from the top and ending at the bottom. I could do that. Hey, Root Beer. We've got blue and white. I mean, that's what's going right now. So that's that one we've got. Oh, I'm not in Disney yet. I'll be leaving shortly. This is the pre-travel stream. I mean, what if I'm gonna try red and white first. That sounds like a good idea to me. So we'll go, we're just gonna do I equals I plus 2. So every other, and we'll set the color to white. And then we'll do the same thing starting at 1, and we'll set the color to red. And then we're gonna add one more thing. Let's add a tracker here. Just do int last start equals 0. This is not the world's best code, that's for sure. If last start equals 0, we're gonna do that. And then last start equals 1. Else last start equals 0. And we're just gonna change this to be I could do it with math and save some code here, but I'm not going to. We're just gonna reverse these. There we go. Verify. So we can see the hat. That's pretty much it. Because if I turn the lights on, I can't see the lights. So, I mean, yes, I understand. Fine for. Let's just see if it works first. So what if I want to change something else about it? Oh, I gotta actually set the mode though. So we're back on default mode. Fourth is gonna tweak all my coding. I did create a GitHub for it. As silly as that is. Create all sorts of modes. Okay, there's the hat. Connecting to the hat. Write new value. Setting the hat value to 6. I mean, that's not bad. That's kind of Christmassy. Might be a little fast. Let's slow it down just a smidge. And then let's also copy it. Should we make Fourth's tweak though? Gosh, it's hard to write code when I can only see like 3 lines at once. Wait a second. No, it doesn't work in all cases, Fourth. Okay, you're right. It works in all cases. My brain is not working. Okay. I'm embarrassed. That's how embarrassed I am. That I'm embarrassed. Mode equals 7. And instead of red and white, let's do red and green. 0 R G. Wait, that's G. B. Upload. I also need a brilliant way to reset the Bluetooth on this thing. So I've been running a few tests on this over the last 2 or 3 days on its battery life, and I gotta admit I'm a little disappointed. I might have to like leave it unplugged during the day, but then the Magic Band will be off. So I don't know. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I thought about trying to figure out a way to give a battery just to the Magic Band, but interrogating hat. Wish I could tell this to remember that this is always a string. Okay. What mode was that? 6 was red and white. Red and white is working. A little slower. I like it though. I like it. I can get behind that. Let's try 7. Ooh. I gotta admit, I like the red and green better. I don't know what you guys think, but I think red and green comes across a little better. Red and green better. I agree. I concur. Okay, what other Cheppy's wipe idea would take time. That's a lot of time. Because it's 50 LEDs and I don't want to program it. We could go look up like other people's stuff. Should we go look up other NeoPixel libraries? I mean, they're in a so no matter how you look at it, Dismon, they're in a line, right? So on the ears in particular, they're going every other, right? That makes sense. On the hat, they are somewhat random in terms of my placement, but they are still in that same line because of a continuous cable. Does that make sense? So there's no pixel matrix like the other hat where we can put like a picture. Maybe next year's hat, instead of the Disney logo here, I'll put one of those pixel matrices that Cheppy has. Just imagine having them all mapped so you can make cool animations. I mean, yes, I agree. Like, if we could do the whole hat in LEDs, so like every inch of it was covered in light, yeah, maybe version 2.0. I like it. I like the idea. I like more light. You can't go wrong with more light. Oh, trust me, Dismond, out of all the things I'm very much aware of is where there is heat in this hat. So I've been very much, like, it has been left running for like 24 hours. As long as it doesn't get wet, I think we're good. I don't know what water would do to it, but a majority of the water would get stopped by the brim. So, need some active cooling. Can't stop walking. Yeah, pray for no rain. Well, you know, they're getting all their rain right now. The hurricane is coming to an end, which, I don't know. That's part of my anxiety here. Let's do this. Let's look at the examples for these lights and see what other patterns. Let's see, NeoPixel patterns. Standard test wheel, no delay. These don't seem like good patterns. Maybe if we Google something. NeoPixel patterns. Ooh, there's a whole GitHub dedicated to them. I like this. I'm pulling up their patterns. Examples. All pattern 1 bar. Matrix demo. I don't care about that. Snake game. Okay, there weren't as many patterns in this library as I was hoping. Let's look for more. Patterns are for scanner, stripes, delay, process, selective, fade select. Ooh, we don't have any fades. We should do some fades. I'm extracting their patterns. Neo patterns. Examples, all pattern, matrix, show, open. Wait. This is the same thing. I'm not as thrilled with whatever I just downloaded. It didn't contain... all pattern on 1 bar. Let's just take a look at... see what's in here. User pattern 1. Set all pixel to color 1 and let a pixel of color 2 move through. Starts with all... okay, so that's like a snake one. True if pattern... I don't care. User pattern 2. Let a pixel of a color move up and down. Starts and ends with all pixels cleared. True if the pattern has ended. False if... yeah, don't care. Don't care. There's only 2 patterns in... I'm having luck finding patterns here. Rainbow cycle. Rocket. I don't know, they all seem boring. Just trying to think what could we come up with on our own? What else would be, like, magical? I had a pattern early on, but it was kind of boring. I mean, I could do solid colors. Solid colors would be silly. Silver and gold. I mean, those aren't exactly colors. Those are more like... I mean, it'd be white and yellow is what you'd end up with. Which, I mean, that wouldn't be all that bad either. It's not a bad pattern. I'll make it... I feel like we should do something with the ears. Like, I know the numbers for the ears and for, like, I know we could, like, rotate colors in some way. Like, we could do left and right and... Let's try another one. Else if mode 8. I'll do silver and gold. Yeah, and I know their numbers, Chep. Like, I kept track of that. So this is red and green. So white would be 255, 255, and then yellow would be 2550. So that's silver and gold. You can make them spin in opposite direction. I mean, yes. Could you make a light do a figure 8 on those ears? Yeah. Yeah, Yeah, that'd be kind of fun. Let's do that. Okay, so first we're gonna go from 0 to how many colors there are, and we're gonna set them all red. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to pick 5, and we're gonna set if last start is less than 30, then last start equals 30. Yeah, that's right. And then we're gonna do last start, well, I is less than last start plus 5. I equals I plus 1. Then we're going to increment last start. Last start equals last start plus 1. And then we're going to add another check in here if last start is greater than 50. Last start equals 30. That'll send it back to the beginning. Let's start there. That's not going to go figure 8, but it'll get us started. And then let's set the default mode for now. Default mode, instead of 0, let's set the default mode to 8. Upload. I also got Wireshark working beautifully on the Steam Deck last night. So that's ready to go. Whoa. Oh, that's the silver and gold one. Is it actually running, though? Mode 8. Yeah, I have 2 mode 8s. That doesn't make any sense. So let's fix that. Oh, but I had it default to mode 8 again. I feel like mode 8 isn't working, though. Why is mode 8 not alternating? Let's debug that first. Oh, it was alternating? I don't see it alternating. Oh, it is. It's just really hard to tell. You're right. Wait. But it... It, like, does it. What is going on? Yeah, no, but, like, right now. It does it for, like, 5 seconds. Oh, now it's... No! Look at it, it stopped. Why did it stop? I wonder if it's having a problem with the way... It's like there's a second delay or something. Let me try it one more time, just to see if... That's really weird, though. Yeah, it's not... Here, I'm going to try something. I'm going to set its mode here just to see what it does. So, interrogating the hat. Let's set its mode to 8. Oh, you know what? And now it's working fine. I bet I can't just change that one value to 0, from 0 to 8. Okay, let's go to 9. Wait, no, it stopped on its own. No. Okay, it's still going. I'm losing my mind. Hey, Tech, how's it going? Okay, so 9 clearly... Oh, it's kind of working. Why is it red and white? Mode equals 9. Okay, let's read through the code. How's it going, Tech? Welcome to our pre-flight stream. Because we're alternating right here. We shouldn't be alternating. So there's that. This should just be I++. So that'll set them all to red. And then let's lower the speed. And then I equals last start. That's fine. I is less than I plus 1. Yeah, that's fine. Go to I. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Upload. Yeah, we're just making some additional patterns for the hat. These patterns run independently of all that other circuitry we've got going on. So I have, well, now I have 9 modes that the hat can run in. But only 3 of them leverage the circuitry. And in fact, maybe we should spend a little bit of time looking at the other mode too, because there was something I wanted to change that might make it a little bit better. Let's see, let's connect into the hat. There's always ways to improve these things. Come on, connect to the hat, please. Out interrogating the thing you're wearing on your head. Or not. Where are you, Bluetooth? See, this is a good example of it. The Bluetooth, for whatever, didn't come on. I wonder what would happen if I just... Let's do this. Let's add one more global variable, because global variables are what make programmers really good. Int tick equals 0. We're going to do this here. Tick plus plus. If tick equals... Let's do 2000. We'll do... let's do 5000. And then reset tick. Tick equals 0. If tick is greater than 5000. Upload. Do I have any pictures of the inside of the hat? Like, before I sealed it? Or, like... No, P server is not declined. I should have known that. The callback has it, though? Really? How does that still have the... Oh, because it's a parameter to it. Let's just make... I don't want to do this, but I feel like another global is in order. Man, I'm doing bad things. Let's just... Copy. Delete. Wasn't me. Oh, sorry. Before I sealed this, is that what you're saying yes to? Or, like, where the LEDs are? Because the LEDs aren't really sealed. Now what's your problem? Let's just... No, we can't do that. No match for operator equals. Oh, because it's not a pointer. Gosh, learn your pointers. Also, this shouldn't be down here. Gosh. Globals. One more time. Hey Penta, you know, we're just doing some hat programming before I get on an airplane, and this is actually calming me down, which is kind of interesting. I don't normally think of programming. I don't know why I have travel anxiety today. I never have it. Today it's been in my head. Took like 15 seconds to tell you that you had your camera on. Disney World. It took 15 seconds to tell I have my camera on? I know. It is what it is. It's dark. We're testing the lights. Okay, hasn't crashed yet. There's the hat service, interrogating. Attempting to write a new value. Writing new value of 9. Done. Okay, so there's the green wormy thingy. Okay, so my math is a little off somewhere. But it's got one of the ears. Now, why'd it pause again? What's causing that pause? I wonder if it's the Bluetooth advertising stuff. Okay, so... Oh, I can't do math. 50 minus 30 is 20. Guys, calculus is easy. Math is hard. Remember that when you get to calculus. The calc part's easy. It's the algebraic manipulation that kicks you in the rear. So pay attention in algebra. Lesson of the day. So this number should be 20. Kids aren't coming, Pentakill. Kids are staying home because Link didn't want to miss school. I do want to go to Paris someday. I have not been to Paris as yet, and I would really like to. So it went to the gold white hat. I'm bringing the stuff along too to should build like a custom map for this so I can stop having to run through all these extra thingies. 9, go. Okay, so there was a delay there. Oh, there it goes. And it blinked blue for a moment. Oh, the less than is still wrong. 20, 20. And actually, we're gonna say the last start should be, last start is less than 15, last start equals 15, but we're gonna add this. If last, or if I is greater than or equal to 20. I'm writing really bad code. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Working code is good code. There's my motto for the day. I recommend that you buy a whole package. Just the Disneyland is a bit lacking. Oh yeah, no, I would definitely go to both parks. For me though, it's all about the night show. I want to see what they call illuminations. I agree, Penta. My parents are taking care of my kids at my house. They're sleeping over at their other grandparents, I think, one night. They're gonna have a great time. Oh, I gotta switch modes to see how this goes. Oh, that was the wrong one. Right, new mode, 9. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Disney Channel thing. Now it reset. Oh, I did it again. Should use a variable. Yeah, when they used to do the drawing with the wand, that's what it reminds me of. It's not bad though. I like it, Disman. It's not a figure 8. Figure 8 might be cooler. Figure 8's a little harder. I gotta reverse some numbers then. But it's not too bad. We could do both. I might just leave this mode and then add a second mode. Yeah, I'm JJDB210, and this is the Disney Channel. Isn't there like a filter for that? On like Instagram or something? The Disney Channel filter? Oh, I wrote the wrong one again. Boom. There we go. Feels like it could be a little faster. Maybe like... Okay, I gotta make one more mode though. Mostly because I don't have it right now. So we're gonna try. Let's test this one more time just to make sure it goes faster. There's motion at my front door. Oh yeah, I like that better. Surprise. Are you at my front door? Oh. No, I'm betting it's my ride to the airport. Of course, it's not actually showing me who's at the door. Oh, yep, definitely my ride to the airport. Yeah, it's Disney copyright. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Okay, we gotta make one more here. Else if mode equals 10. Okay, so we're gonna do this first. We're gonna digital write that to low. Okay, but we gotta go look at mode 1 for a moment. So Yep, see ya, Pentakill. This logic right here is the stuff I want to mess with. So we're going to copy all of this. What I need is one that is powered only by the magic band. I have one that uses the magic band plus one other thing, but not one that's entirely the magic band. So, for int I equals 20, I is less than 35, I plus plus. And we're gonna do. I don't remember which LED is which. We'll rock that one. We'll rock whatever LED that is and accept it for the left ear. I may regret that decision. Let's grab this one then. This goes from 35 to 51. And then there's one more line, strip.show. And then let's just put a small delay here. Because we really don't need to change the value. Well, except there's gonna be, we need to update the read stuff. So we don't use the poor man's for that. We'll copy all of this though. We need all of it. How you know it's bad code? Because I'm copying large chunks. There should be functions. Kids don't code like me. Practice safe coding. Wait, that's all your code? What are you talking about? Just copying other code. Connecting. Where is the hat? I found the hat. Write new value. String. Write new value. 10. I don't like that nothing changed. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it turned off, which is actually what should happen. Because now we go to the Disney World app. And we connect to the magic bands. Click on this button. Change color. Red. Green. See, I wonder how quickly I could program it to just stay the last color it was. So it doesn't do that fading stuff. We'd have to rewrite M scale. Get rid of all dimming. I mean, that's what it would do. It would get rid of all dimming. Am I going to Iron Man the RFID bit? I don't know what you mean. Brute force. The top plastic shell. Oh. You know, I might. The problem is I don't know what I did with it. I may have misplaced it. So what's I in this case? Into I. It's the representative value of each LED. Yeah, so let's just change this logic here. If final if final equals 255 or final equals 0. Then final equals final, which is really silly thing to say, but last I we don't really need to do anything in this situation. And then else final equals last I. So we're either going to turn on or off or that. I'm going to regret this. This is like a really big change to how this stuff behaves right at the last second. I probably shouldn't be doing that. Nothing like doing it on the fly though, right? I can always mess with it on the plane. Actually, no, I'm not going to turn this thing on the plane, now that I think about it. Doesn't have an airplane mode. I don't even know what airplane mode would mean on something like this. Shut the Bluetooth radios off, maybe? That hat is not allowed on this plane. Okay, it went dark, which is fine. So now... go back to the Disney app. Red. Oh, come on. Green. Interesting. So that doesn't work because the LEDs aren't tied to each other. Yeah, I don't like that mode. I think we gotta put it back the way it was. I like the concept, I just would need way more logic than I have time to think through right now. Oh, lots of information. Okay, upload. One more test. Any other last second things you think it really needs? Okay, we go to light blue. The entire spaceship Earth light show. I mean, that's technically what this mode is. So if everything goes according to plan, this mode right here where it's dark, as lame as this is, has 5 segmented LEDs keyed off the magic band. Could use some tweaks to the values, but otherwise it's without TechTangent's PWM filter, it's as good as it's gonna get. I'm making it go to the music. Makes me think of like the Tower of Terror because it's so glitchy. What can you do? What can you do except write another new value? Like, for example, 5. Oh, 5 was a bad choice. No, 5 is a good choice. I like 5. 5's got the blinky stars. So, my hope, like, okay, and this is a good point. So this is version 1.0 of the hat. I don't know if I'm going in December yet. We'll see. December is an iffy one. January, much more likely. February, very iffy. March, much more likely. But it depends on if I skip my flight tonight. If they give me $1,000 to skip my flight tonight, I'm going in December. We'll see what happens. But what I was going to say is, what was I going to say? Oh, if everything goes according to plan, we'll know how their Bluetooth works. I already technically know how their infrared works, so I probably could have built off of that in the first place. And if that's true, then we don't need all the extra chips. We could do it with just one Seed Uno and be done. Which, although, then I lose the Magic Band, and I kind of like the Magic Band. But we don't have to do all the extra soldering. I can just put the Magic Band in the hat anyway. So, and then, I mean, it's just because having the Magic Band in the hat powered by a bigger battery means my Magic Band lasts longer. So, Best of both worlds, I guess. Yeah, well, we made it an hour. I think I'm going to go make sure that I've packed everything. Should I bring my GoPro? You guys can't see that. Here, let's turn the camera back to its default settings here. Configure video, camera control, auto exposure, apply. Boom! Look at that, he reappears. Well, everybody, we skipped the raid last time. Do I skip the raid again? Hopefully I get some money out of it. That would be, I don't know if it's a hopefully or not. That's the stressful part about it. I don't know if I really want to miss my flight. My wife says she's not going to do it no matter what the price is. And I'm like, really? Really? I don't blame her though. You know, let's rate a member of Family Friendly Live. It's been a little bit of a while since I've rated this person. Pretty cool people. They're playing Paper Mario. They're probably speedrunning it. This is iMarts. Be kind to iMarts. We'll be back tomorrow night. Tomorrow. I shouldn't say tomorrow night. I don't know when tomorrow. We might even do community game night tomorrow, depending on how tomorrow goes for me. We'll see. Odds are probably not, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I hope the hat works well too, Tech. Thank you. Thank you for the help with it. Cheppy, thank you for the help with it as well. Cheppy 3D printed all this stuff for me, so that's good. It was very helpful. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Until next trip. See ya.